Good morning, guys. Another day, another mountain. Alrighty guys, here we are. We're up at Springbrook. Look at that. Whew. Beautiful stuff, beautiful. Have a look at this. So when people think about Springbrook, most locals will think about Brook Falls, which look, it is a really cool waterfall, but if you're wanting something that's a bit of a longer trek, then Warrie Circuit is the way to go. It's about 4 to 5 hours roughly. It's like moderately hard. I wouldn't consider it incredibly difficult. The difficult thing is obviously the incline on the way back and just the duration in general, but you know, that's what we're here for. That's it. Another one done, guys. Look, if you guys have any ideas of any hikes, mountains, comment below what you think. send me a DM, send me a message, whatever you want to do. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. I will see you later. Peace and love.